This is going to be December 1963, Oh What a Night by Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. We got a capo on the first fret. We're going to start out with 2 open and 1 from a C chord. We're going to switch that to this other chord. So I just jumped that middle finger down and it ended up being open 2 and 1 on those big 3 strings. So it's like a 2-0-1 to an open 2-1 and back. And then F, F. So we got the 3-2-1 from an F. So we got. And then we're going to hit the highest note of the F also. So we got. And then we're going to hit this high part of the F also. We're going to hit all 4 of the notes of the F now. And then I put this ring finger here. This is the 6th fret. We're kind of looking at it as the 5th because we got our capo here, but it's really the 6th. So we got. Then full F. Then our next thing is. So that's like 4 and 3 down to 2 and 1 and back. It's really 5 and 4, but you know what I'm talking about. So when we use the capo, we just kind of refer to things as if they didn't have a capo there, you know. So this is like 2nd fret. That's like 5th fret. And then 4 and 3, 2 and 1 and back. Okay, and then we come back and we do this first part again. Now this next time we're gonna go still on the 3 big notes of the F. Now that's the 2 middle strings. That's an open and a 1. So, and then we're gonna come up here and get that 5-4-3. So this last part was, and so what it does is it does, I'm calling this first part, part A. And then this next part is part B. Then we go back to part A. And then we do this new part. I'm calling this part C. Okay, and so you do those first 4 things and then you repeat it all 4 times as the verses continue. So we go back through the A, B, and A, C parts. So. And then part C. So it just repeats that stuff, like I say, 4 times. Part C. Okay, then we get into a pre-chorus. We're going to have open 2, 1, and 1. This is a D minor 7. Down, down, up, down. So. And that same pattern is going to go to these next chords. Here we have F, A minor, G, D minor 7, F. Okay, so once again that strum is down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, now we have up here, we're gonna go call this 5-4-5. We're gonna take that down 2 frets. So we're gonna go. Okay, so it was 3 times of this. And then we come up here. This is gonna be like, it looks like 8, 6, and 7. Kind of looking at it as like 7, 5, and 6. It's gonna go. And then those other 2 chords. So we got. Okay, and then we're back to the beginning part. Okay, so let's look at our new part again here. We had. Okay. So we'll do this 2 times through. Okay, then we have a new part. So what we have here is like a 7-5-5. It's really 8-6-6, but you know, calling it A minor here. So we got bump, 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 and then to the 5s on the 3 big strings to the 7s. So it's bump, 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 and then so that's like our 7-5, 7-5, 7. And we do that twice, so we go. And then we're going back to this chord here. Do a couple double sets of that. Take it up 2. And then these 5s, they look like 6s, but we're calling them 5s. And then this one, 7-6-5, bum, bum, bum. Okay, so that whole instrumental bit goes. Okay, then we have a break where it's like. We got little chords up here, like 12s and 10s up here. Really looks like 13s and 11s, right? But so we're gonna have kind of, think of a chord like this. This is kind of our 9 and 8. We're gonna go 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a, 1 E and a, 1 E and a, 1 E and a. Okay, so that was a little break. And then we're going to come back to this pre-chorus thing, D minor 7. Okay, then we're back to the main thing. So we'll do that a couple times, then we're back into the instrumental. Okay, now there's another guitar part we didn't really talk about yet. That is so it's like this 9 and 8 here. It's like ba-dum, bump, bump, and then you kind of go 9, 8, 8 down here. So ba-dum, bump, bump, and then little 8, 10, 8 on the second. And then you wait a while and you go the 12s and 10s. Okay, let's take a quick look at all the different parts. So we got, that's part A, and then part B. Go back to part A, and then part C. So that was F, F, and then kind of part of a C here, open in 1, and then a G. Okay, then the pre-chorus. Got that bum, bum, up, down, then F, A minor, G, A minor, D minor 7 again, F, and then we have this shape, 5-4-5, 3 times, and then up to this one, and then we're back to our first part. Okay, then we got our instrumental after we've done that a couple times. Like I say, in the beginning of the song, it's 4 verse things in a row before you get to that pre-chorus. And then later on when you do it, it's going to be just 2 times and then into the instrumental part. So instrumental is like this A minor. that twice. And then this chord. Okay, so that's pretty much all the parts. You got that one extra guitar part where we got. All right, December 1963, Oh What a Night by Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. Got some great little rhythm in there. Cool, funky stuff. So hope you enjoyed that. Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.